This recipe will change your life, and I haven't specified to which direction, but it will definitely change once you try out this. So today's episode, we are making a smoothie, and I have some milk, I have some vanilla essence, though this is not really necessary. I also have another unnecessary ingredient, and that's some honey. You can also use sugar, but you can also leave it just as it is if at all you do not want to sweeten things. I also have my oats, some bananas, and some peanuts. And without further ado, let's get started. As usual, I'm always bringing you the simplest recipes and the most delicious recipes. If at all you want the exact quantities, you can check out another episode that I did about an year ago, and I'm going to link it at the end. So I'll go in with about 1.5 bananas, and something that I would have really wanted to add to this recipe is some grapes, or you can also use strawberries, but nimeambiwa grapes are out of season, so hazipatikani. So I've added my banana, and the thicker you want your smoothie, the more bananas you add. I'll also go in with my peanuts, and can you imagine, this cost me 10 shillings. So I'm just going to add them zote, leave a few for garnishing. Then I'll go in with my oats, and I'm just going to eyeball this as well. And the thicker you want it, you can add more oats. So I'm adding about 2 spoons of oats. Then this is the right time to go in with your milk, and this smoothie really slaps. Kwanza with the peanuts, the bananas and the peanuts. I'll also add in some vanilla, kiasi tu. Then I know this is already good as it is, but I just want it a little bit sweet for today, so I'll go in with about a tablespoon of honey. That should be okay. Then we can blend this. And as you've seen, it was that easy, and I love this recipe because once you use like a cup of milk, you get double the amount once it's ready, because it accumulates some air. I used 250 ml of milk, and this is a 500 ml jar. So I also love this recipe because it's quite filling because of the oats and also the peanuts as well as the bananas. Once you take this, you do not need to take anything else during the day. So let's get to the favorite part and get to taste this. Wow. Wow. Wow, this is so good, so refreshing. It's also very thick, as you can notice, it is very thick. Inapanda pole pole, na unasikia tu hivyo ikiteremka hivyo, unasikia tu ikiteremka, inateremka, unasikia mautamu. So that's definitely it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and also try it out. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.